All right, Ms. Ingrassa, I really need some help writing ionic compounds now. I've already named them, but I have to know how to write them.
Yep. So now we just have to go from name to formula.
Okay, so I got my
backwards.
worksheet here, and I need some help. Just kind of, if you can take me through it, that'd be great. So I have calcium and fluorine. The cation's the metal, right?
Yep.
So that's
the
calcium.
one that's positive.
Okay, so that means the anion would be fluorine.
Yep.
Okay,
You got it.
I got there so far. So then the electron dot, is that the one with the dots like for the valence electrons
Yep.
all the way around it?
Exactly.
Okay.
Calcium has two dots. Fluorine
has 7?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so calcium can either lose 2 or gain 6.
Losing 2 sounds easier.
Yep. So it's going to lose 2.
Lose 2.
And if it loses 2, what's the oxidation number?
Losing 2 negatives gives me a positive 2 oxidation number. Okay.
Okay.
I got that part.
Fluorine can either gain 1 or lose 7.
Gaining 1 sounds way easier. So that's what I'm going to say. Is that right?
Yep, gain 1.
Okay. If
Okay.
it gains 1 negative, it is now a -1 oxidation number.
Perfect. Okay,
Okay.
so now electron dot structure just reflects how many we lost or gained. So calcium's gotten rid of its 2 valence electrons, so it has no more dots.
No more dots, and I have to put the charge, right?
Yep.
With the 2 plus. Fluorine gained a dot, though, so do we keep all of those dots now?
Yep, you started with 7, and then you add 1 more new dot. So you have 8, your full octet.
And now I put the charge.
Yep, -1.
Okay. So the name of the cation, from naming that, remember that doesn't change.
Right, metals don't change.
Okay, calcium. Then what's the name of the nonmetal? Isn't that have a special ending? Something like that? So it's fluorinide.
Fluoride.
Fluoride.
Yep,
Okay.
IDE ending.
I got you, the IDE ending.
Okay, now here's the tricky part.
Yeah.
So in order for an ionic bond to form, your charges have to balance out to 0. Okay? So I have 2 positives and 1 negative. So I have a total of 2 positive charges.
Okay.
And each fluorine contributes 1 negative charge.
I need more negatives if it's going to cancel.
Exactly. So if I have a total of 2 positives, how much negative do I need to cancel it out?
I need 2 negatives.
Right, and each fluorine is 1.
So I need 2 fluorines.
Exactly.
So I need 1 calcium and 2 fluorines.
Yep, that's it.
So for that dot formula there, do I write 1 calcium dot structure and 2 fluorine dot structures?
That's all you would do.
Oh, okay, that's pretty easy. So then I do my fluorines with 8 dots, and then another fluorine with 8 dots. Man, this takes a long time. Okay, so there's my dot structure.
Yep.
So how do I do when I write the formula?
So which one do you have 2 of?
I have 2 fluorines.
Right, so you'd write CAF and then a little 2, the subscript.
CAF2?
Yep, tells you how many you have of each one.
Cool. And I already know that this name right here from the other video is calcium fluoride.
Yep.
But I already wrote it up top there anyway. Calcium fluoride. Okay. There was other ones that I had a question on, and I think it was further down on the worksheet. Someone kind of... Okay, it was this one.
The one with polyatomics.
Yeah, okay. This one, it's got the NO3 here already, and that's NO3. It has a -1 charge. Does that have a dot structure that I need to draw?
No, you don't need to worry about that one.
Okay, so now I just have strontium, which is Sr.
Yep, and what is the oxidation number of strontium? Do you remember?
It's in group or family 2A, so it's got a +2.
Yep, it's going to lose 2 electrons, +2.
Okay.
Okay, so now you have 2 plus 2 for strontium and -1 for the nitrate.
Okay, that -1 right there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
+2 and a -1. I'm going to need 2 nitrates, 2 -1s.
Right, exactly.
So I need 1 of these and 2 of these.
That's it.
Cool. And so I'm going to write 1 of those, and then do I just write it like that?
Yep, that's all you do.
That, and I need
-1.
2 of them. Okay. So, but here's where I get confused. So I write SrNO3.
But you have 2. So put
2?
the whole nitrate. Well, you don't have 32 of them, right? Right now you're saying you have 32 oxygens.
Oh, okay. So what do I do then?
So you put the NO3 in parentheses.
The whole thing?
Yep, because you have 2 of the entire thing. So then you put
So
the 2 on the
goes
outside.
Here. Okay. Then that name, I know strontium, the metal name doesn't change. And then polyatomic ion name stays the same. That's nitrate.
Yep, just strontium nitrate. That's it.
Cool. So I got one of each. And I think I'm good.
Okay, great.
Cool. Thank you. We're definitely going to have to cut it out now.